testing of your faith produces perseverance. Let perseverance finish his work, that you may be mature and complete, not lacking in anything. If any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault. But when you ask, you must believe and not doubt, because the one who doubts is like a wave of the sea, blown and tossed by the wind. That person should not expect to receive anything from the Lord. Such a person is double-minded and unstable in all they do. James 1:2-8.
John 14:27. Peace I leave with you. My peace I give to you. I do not give to you as the world gives.
So do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid.
Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans to have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and future.
Commission. The mission of dissertation is
To teach.
young men to memorize biblical